In the end of this video, we're going to learn how to connect to any Wi-Fi without using password. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be used for any illegal activity. This method is real and all you have to do is subscribe for this method to work for you. So the first step, you go to settings and then scroll down and click on the Wi-Fi options. And then click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect. As for me, I'm just going to click on this plugins JMO because I want to connect to it. And then click on advanced options. As for me, mine is this one. This little circle here. As for you, just gonna look for advanced option and click on it, okay? So I'm just gonna click on it. And then here, I'm gonna want you to follow these steps, okay? So you're gonna click on proxy and then change it to manual. And then in hostname, I'm gonna want you to put these words correctly, okay? So input proxy.vpn.com, okay? And then in port, input this code 8080, and then in unused sites input this code, okay? Input localhost, and then in IP settings just change it to static, and then in IP address I'm going to want you to put this code, okay? 192.168.1.28, okay? And then in router, I'm going to want you to put the same code, okay? 192.168.1.28, okay? And then in prefix length, input 24. And then in DNS1, input this code, okay? 8.8.8.8. 4 times, okay? And then in DNS2, input this code 8.4.4, okay? And then after that, you're just gonna click on, I'm just gonna click on join this network. As for you, just gonna click on connect. I'm gonna click here, just gonna click on connect. As you can see, it's connecting. I have connected without using any Wi-Fi password. So make sure you subscribe for this method to work for you. Thanks for watching.